Good afternoon. Our next topic this afternoon is blue chip meaning and its examples. Blue chip refers to the shares of large, well-established and financially stable companies with a history of reliable performance. These companies are typically leaders in their respective industries, known for their strong market presence, solid reputation and consistent dividend payments. The term blue chip is derived from poker, where blue chips traditionally have the highest value. Examples of blue chip companies: Apple Inc., AAPL, a technology giant known for its iPhones, iPads and Mac computers. Apple is renowned for innovation and has consistently demonstrated financial stability. Microsoft Corporation, MSFT, a software and technology company that has played a pivotal role in the computer industry. Microsoft is a blue chip with a long history of success. The Coca-Cola Company, KO, a global beverage giant and one of the most recognizable brands in the world. Coca-Cola has a strong market presence and a history of steady performance. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, a multinational healthcare company engaged in pharmaceuticals, consumer goods and medical devices. Johnson & Johnson is known for its reliability and diverse product portfolio. Procter & Gamble Company, PG, a consumer goods company with a wide range of popular household brands. Procter & Gamble is considered a blue chip due to its stability and market leadership. IBM, International Business Machines Corporation, a technology and consulting company with a long history. IBM is recognized as a blue chip in the technology sector. JP Morgan Chase & Company, JPM, a leading global financial services firm with a strong presence in banking, investment banking and asset management. JP Morgan Chase is a blue chip in the financial industry. Walt Disney Company, DIS, an entertainment conglomerate known for its theme parks, media networks and film production. Disney is a blue chip in the entertainment sector. Why blue chip stocks? Stability. Blue chip stocks are known for stability, making them attractive to conservative investors. Dividend income. Many blue chip companies pay regular dividends, providing a reliable income stream. Global recognition. Blue chip companies are often internationally recognized, offering a sense of security to investors. Long-term investment. Blue chip stocks are often considered long-term investments due to their consistent performance over time. Investors often include blue chip stocks in their portfolios to balance risk and seek steady returns over the long term. Thank you.